Our next guest has been labeled a princess, and she's just fine wearing that crown. It really suits her.
Diagnosed with leukemia at the age of 3. She's a cancer survivor 2 years later.
Welcome Darian Gray and one of her doctors from the Levine Children's Hospital, Dr. Javier Osterheld. Welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. Hi, Darian.
Hi.
You look very pretty this morning. Did you forget to wear your tiara, your crown?
Yes.
You forgot it. I know. You can borrow mine later. We're going to talk to you coming up in just a second, Darian. But Dr. Osterheld, I'd like to start with you. As Rob just mentioned, Darian was diagnosed with leukemia. She didn't respond to traditional chemotherapy, needed a bone marrow transplant, couldn't find an exact match. So instead used her father, which is what's called a mismatch. And Levine is one of the few facilities in the country that can perform this procedure, this mismatch. Can you talk more about that?
Sure. I mean, it's called a haploidentical or mismatch, where the parent is a half match, and we use that, and we adjust the cells a little bit, and we are one of the few centers in the country that does it, and so it gave Darian a great chance, and her dad is the donor, and I think it's a fantastic story, and Dr. Andrew Gilman is our bone marrow transplant doctor who does this, and we're very, very happy to have him.
Yes, we're very fortunate. We feel fortunate to have Levine Children's Hospital here.
And Darian, right now, 18 months, cancer-free. I like that. For a round of applause. And all that time you were in the hospital, you like to dress like a princess, don't you? What do you like about princesses? They're pretty. They're really pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at you.
We see some video of you there in the hospital dressed as a princess. You look great. I understand you have some big plans for when you grow up, things you want to be.
Yeah.
Why don't you tell us?
I want to be an acrobat and a doctor.
I think you should be an acrobatic doctor. You could do like flips and cartwheels and stuff when you're visiting your patients. What do you think of that plan?
Yeah.
You'd probably be the first in the country. That'd be kind of cool. Now, you're in kindergarten?
Yes.
Where do you go to school?
Davy Washam's.
You think your class is watching today?
I think so.
You want to say hi to them?
Hi.
I mean, if you can look into that camera right there and say hi to your class and hi to your teacher.
Hi.
Hi. Darian's on TV. Dr. Osterheld, you're involved in research and clinical trials, and we want to make the point very clear that those trials are possible because of community donations, and that's what helps people like Darian.
Oh, absolutely. I think the Charlotte community has come together in a great way, and we have many partners that do this for us and have contributed a generous amount to us. And so I think all of that being said, we couldn't do any of this. And the clinical research that we're doing at Levine Children's Hospital is very novel and cutting edge. And obviously, Darian is a perfect example of why we do it, so people can stay close to home. And we really want to give comprehensive local care here, and that's really what we're trying to do. And our philanthropic organizations that are helping us have made all that possible.
Well, God bless you for doing what you do, and thanks to all the good folks at Levine Children's Hospital. And Darian, it's so nice to meet you. Well, thank you. I'm so glad you came here today, and that you're healthy. You look great. Do you feel good?
Yes.
I bet you're just running around like 5-year-olds do, aren't you?
Yeah.
You do that a lot. Yeah, I bet you do. The new campaign to raise awareness and support for the Carolinas Kids Cancer Research Coalition is going on. For more information, go to givecarolinas.org/fight. I will give you that again. It is givecarolinas.org/fight, helping kids like Darian. Thanks to both of you for being here today.
Thank you both.
Thanks a lot.
All right. Well, coming up next on Charlotte Today, grocery shopping from a chef.